Welcome to the eClinicalWorks podcast. I'm Adam Salati. Now, as an ongoing commitment to our customers, eClinicalWorks has invested considerable time and energy into strengthening its development process from the design phase through to release management to ensure new versions are as reliable as possible for the physicians that depend on them. But to paraphrase a well-known saying, every developer has a plan until the users log in. With the upcoming version 12 being the biggest and most impactful release to date, eClinicalWorks devised a creative way to make certain it is the best it can be on day one and organized its first ever hackathon. And here to speak with me about the hackathon is Sharmeelee Tasto. Sharmeelee, welcome to the podcast today.
Hi, Adam. Thank you.
So tell us, Sharmeelee, what is the hackathon? What is it all about?
So in a nutshell, Hackathon is just an unscripted and exploratory testing exercise. As a nurse, and I've been in patient care for 14 years, we all have different ways of charting for our patients and sometimes having to be creative to get our work done. And we realize that our customers interact with our system in different ways as well. And Hackathon was really just our first attempt at making a more realistic and natural way of testing our product with consideration to how our customers actually use it.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about the process for the hackathon. How did you set it up?
With this event, we wanted to really put our system into the hands of our clinicians who have had patient care experience. We wanted to replicate those common and key workflows that take place in our customers' practices every day. And in addition to those common workflows, we also put special emphasis on the new features and functions that are being released with version 12. When combined with our current scripted and automated testing processes, this hackathon exercise allowed our clinicians, as well as some of our usability experts, to challenge our application by exploring unexpected and sometimes out of sequence workflows that really allow us to reveal maybe some of those nuanced software bugs, patient safety issues, and usability concerns that may otherwise have gone undiscovered until they were actually used in the real world. So we wanted to also do that in a way that already complemented our traditional software testing processes.
So tell us who was involved in the hackathon and what were their backgrounds?
Okay, so this was a group of 13 clinicians from diverse backgrounds, and we also had 5 usability experts, and we collaborated with several product analysts and business analysts who gave us real-time testing support.
And so they were all together in the same room there for the event?
Most of us were in the same room. It was in our Westboro headquarters and also on a simultaneous virtual meeting for those who couldn't attend in person.
Excellent. So why set it up like that? Why have everybody testing all at once, all at the same time? What did that do for us?
We really wanted to do a workshop style event where we put a bunch of people together, and we really wanted to rely on their professional knowledge, skills, and industry experience to help us explore those workflows that our customers use every day.
Why is something like the hackathon different from some of the other forms of testing that might have been used up until now?
Okay, so as I mentioned before, Hackathon is different from other forms of testing as it's unscripted and exploratory. And I think this is really more representative of how our customers would actually use our system, because we know our customers are certainly not using scripts when caring for their patients. So we thought this would be the next best thing to actual customers testing for us. And it's also different because the testing is done by eCW clinicians, not by technical personnel. Those clinicians are MDs, RNs, pharmacists, and therapists. And we each bring our own unique backgrounds and knowledge into our testing. And because of that real world experience, we know that the struggle is real when providing care to our patients and having to deal with the EHR at the same time. And because of that, we got to interact with the system in a way that is similar to what our customers interact with it. So it's also different because our perspective in this is different than, say, maybe QA. Their focus is more on the functional aspect of testing, where they're really testing to see if the system is working as designed. Whereas we do that, but in addition, we ask, does it meet our customers' needs? Does it meet their expectations? Is it user-friendly? Is it intuitive? And most importantly, we ask, is it safe? Because we really want to identify those pain points, issues, or anything else that may cause undue cognitive burden on our customers.
You didn't give them the manual. You didn't give them instructions on how to do these things. What did you ask them to do?
Well, we gave them a checklist. We gave them that checklist really to just ensure that the common workflows and new version 12 enhancements were included, but we also encouraged a lot of exploration. And at times we asked them to break the system, which was also a lot of fun, because in doing so, we're really able to see how our system handles unexpected inputs.
Must be where the term hackathon came from, because you asked them to kind of hack those workflows, do their own things with them. So what did you find? What were the results of this hackathon?
I will tell you that when you put a bunch of clinicians into a room to discuss an EHR, we will be more than happy to tell you what we think. And that's exactly what we did. We provided a lot of feedback on existing functions and on new version 12 enhancements as well. A lot of that was in the form of usability feedback, as well as many new ideas for future enhancements to help improve the overall quality, efficiency, and user experience of our product. And I also want to say, out of that, Hackathon also became another way to facilitate collaboration between our technical, clinical, and usability teams, because I really think that promotes better cross-functional partnerships when approaching design and development, and that can only make our product that much better.
So what do eClinicalWorks users and customers get out of this? How do they benefit?
Well, I mean, with this exercise for version 12, we wanted to weed out as many of those annoying new software issues as we could, so our customers would not have to find them, because we really want to facilitate a more seamless upgrade for them. We also wanted to use Hackathon as an opportunity to evaluate our existing functions as well, to really improve the overall quality and user experience for all our customers.
Well, by the time some people watch this, I'm sure they might already have version 12. So it's great to know all of the things that went into making sure that it was the best version it could possibly be. Sharmeelee, what final message do you have for anybody who is watching here today?
Well, to all our customers watching, your eCW clinicians are here. We have your backs, and we are advocating for you. We are listening, and we are committed to making a better quality product and putting your needs first.
Sharmeelee, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us here today. It's great to know that so much time and energy has gone into this new release, and we're excited to see what it can do for everybody.
Thank you, Adam.
Now, if you have any questions about the topics that we discussed here today, you can visit my.eclinicalworks.com or speak with your strategic account manager or business development representative. Of course, you can also check out our other eClinicalWorks podcast episodes on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or eclinicalworks.com. For the eClinicalWorks podcast, I'm Adam Salati, and thanks for watching.